So today I'm going to quickly show you how to sell your stocks, ETFs, or even mutual funds on the new Vanguard app. So we have the app loaded up here in real time so you can follow along. So here on the main page, this is what you're going to see when you log into your Vanguard account. There's an option at the bottom that says transact. So from here, you're going to see an option that says sell. So we're going to go ahead and click on here. And then depending on what you currently have in your account, we're going to go ahead and click on that option. So we're going to do ETFs and stocks for this example. And then once this page actually loads up here, the first thing we want to do is actually select the account that we're selling from. So at the very top there, it says select account. So click the one that works best for you, and then we're going to go ahead and jump to that next spot. So in the middle of the screen, you're going to see where it says transaction, and it's currently already highlighted to sell, so we're good to go there. And then where it says symbol, we're going to go ahead and put in the ticker number. If you don't know the ticker number, you can click on search by keyword to be able to find that ticker number. So for this example, we are going to go with selling a Tesla stock. So right over here, you can see in real-time quotes, everything about it with the price and the changes. You can show more details if you really wanted to. And then what we're going to do is enter the amount of shares that we have that we want to sell. So let's go ahead and say 2 here. And then it shows the order type. So there's a couple different order types. If you don't know all of them, I encourage you to learn more about those. But today's example, we're just going to do with a market. You can choose to do it for the day, or you can do the 60 days, which is good till canceled, but usually market order will be done right away. And then here at the bottom, you can see the trade details. You can see the estimated principal, if there's any commission, and then the total with commission, if there's any. And you can click on preview order, confirm everything, and then you are good to go and sell. And then that money will be deposited into your settled account, which if you want to learn how to withdraw that money, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.